Hello, beauties out there. I hope you are in good health both physically and mentally. Welcome back to Aesthnest Reviews. Here I share my honest reviews about skincare and beauty products. In this video, I am going to review Miss Rose BB Cream, aka Miss Rose Perfect Cover BB Cream. The result of this BB cream is not much effective. It has a very dry texture and did not blend well in your skin, no matter what you do. Even if you apply any moisturizer or serum, it just does not blend on your face well and make it look weird. Also, it did not set well on any skin tone, no matter if you have a fair or a dark complexion. When you apply this BB cream on your face, it did not give a likewise shade of your skin tone, even if you have purchased a similar shade to your complexion. Plus, it comes in a very small packaging. Although the packaging is good, you can pump out the product, but still you can use it for 4 to 5 times maximum. And then you can't pump out the cream and have to extract it from the tube itself. I have seen a number of positive reviews about this BB cream on Miss Rose official website, but according to my experience, it is totally not worth buying. And I will not recommend it to you unless you want to waste your money. So this was it for today. I hope you liked this video. If yes, give thumbs up. Also, if you want review of any skincare or beauty product, leave a comment below and I will review that for you as soon as possible. Plus, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of more amazing, honest and aesthetic reviews. See you in next video. Till then, share this video as sharing is caring.